Hello students. So today we will continue unit 1 integers. So in that unit today we will start new exercise self practice 1C. So in the last class we have solved self practice 1B. Now today we will start self practice 1C. Okay. So see, self practice 1C is based on the multiplication of integers. So in this exercise we will deal with the questions of integers, multiplication of integers. So here we multiply the integers with each other and find their product. See the first question. 1a, determine whether the product is positive or negative. 1a, here the question is given 2 multiply 5, both the integers are positive only. So here we have to find whether the product is positive or negative. So the product is what? Both are the positive integers. So the product of positive integers will give you the positive only. So its product will be what? Positive. So its product will be positive. Plus VE means positive. Okay. Similarly, next question, you can see C. In C, it is given 2 multiply minus 2, 2 multiply minus 5. So one is, so the sign of the integer 2 is what? Positive, that is the plus, multiply, and the sign of 5 is minus. So this is the negative integer. So the product of plus and minus gives you what? Negative. So the product of these two integers plus 2 and minus 5 will give the negative. So here you are going to get the negative product. Okay. Now next G. So this means here you can see. So the product of two negative integers always gives the positive. Product of two negative integers give positive. That is the two like signs. And product of two unlike signs means one positive and other negative. So the product of unlike signs will give negative. Minus. Minus multiply plus will give minus. So that rule we have to keep in our mind. So the product of two like signs means plus multiply plus gives you the plus. Product of two like signs minus multiply minus will give the plus. And product of two unlike signs plus multiply minus gives you minus. Minus multiply plus gives you only minus. So the product is negative. Now see the question number G. Minus 803 multiply minus 70. So here both the integers are negative. So the product of negative will be positive. So the product of negative will be what? Positive, as you can see. 2 minus, product of 2 minus and will give positive. Minus multiply minus gives plus. Now we see the question number 2. In question number 2a, you see we have to find the product. 8 multiply 5. Now see 8 multiply 5. 8 multiply 5. So the product of these two integers is what? Plus multiply plus. So when you multiply two positive integers, plus multiply plus will give you the plus only, positive. So 8 5s are 40. So plus 40. So the result will be what? Plus 40. Plus multiply plus gives you plus, 8 5s are 40. Next question. You can see 2C. In question number C, minus 6 multiply 9. Minus 6 multiply 9. Here, one is minus 6 is the negative integer, and here this is the plus 9. No sign is written before 9, that is the positive integer. So it will be treated as plus. If no sign is mentioned before any digit, that means that integer is the positive integer. So first you multiply the sign, minus plus minus. See, when you multiply minus with plus, the product will be what? Negative. So when this minus multiply with this plus sign, it will give you the minus sign. Product will be the negative. And 6 9 are 54. So the result will be minus 54. Like this we have to do the multiplication of the integers. So first we multiply the sign of the integers, and after that we multiply the integers. So here first we have what we have done, we have multiplied the sign of these two integers 6 and 9. So the sign of 6 is minus and the sign of 9 is plus. So minus multiplied plus gives you minus, minus multiplied plus gives minus, and 6 9 are 54. Now see the next question. Question number F, 4 multiply minus 15. Question number F, 4 multiply minus 15. Now here also the sign of this plus, the sign of the integer 4 is plus, because no sign is written here before the before digit 4, before number 4, no sign is mentioned. So this means that is the positive integer. So plus multiply with minus sign. So plus multiply with minus sign gives you what? Minus. So the product of two different sign is always negative. So here you get the sign minus, and 4 15s are 60. 15 4s are 60. So the product will be minus 60. Okay, and the last question is H. In H you see what we have to do. Minus 12 multiply 7. Minus 12 multiply 7. So the sign of the integer minus 12 is what? Negative, and the sign of the integer 7 is plus. So first you multiply their sign, minus multiply plus. So the product of minus multiply plus is what? Minus. So the product of two different signs, always see minus and plus both are different and their product is negative always. Plus and minus both are different. So the product of the opposite sign is always negative, and product of the same sign, see minus multiply minus gives you plus. Plus multiply plus gives you plus. So means product of two like signs, same signs, product is always positive. So here 12 7 are 84. So minus 84. So minus 12 multiply 7 gives you the product minus 84. Now we move to the question number 3. Now see the question number 3a. 3a, we have to multiply minus 7 multiply minus 8. Minus 7 multiply minus 8. Now again see here, first we multiply their sign, minus multiply minus gives plus. So minus minus plus. So the product of two negative integer and two negative sign is plus. Minus minus plus, 7 is 56. That is plus 56. Okay. Next question, C. Third C you see. In the third C, minus 15 multiply minus 4. Minus 15 multiply minus 4. First of all we multiply the sign, minus minus plus. So the product of two negative sign will give the positive plus, and 15 for the 60. So the answer will be what? Plus 60. Okay. Now we move to the next question. Question number G. Question number G. Minus 16 multiply minus 12. Minus 16 multiply minus 12. Again you see minus minus plus, and 12 into 16. 12 6 are 7. 12 6 are 72. 2 carry 7. 12 1 is 12 plus 7 19. 192 plus 192. Okay. Now we move to the question number 4. 4a you see. In the 4a, 2 multiply 5 multiply 6. 2 multiply 5 multiply 6. Here 3 integers are there. So all the 3 integers are positive only. So the product of the positive integer always give the positive. 2 5s are 10. 10 6s are 60. So the answer will be what? Plus 60. Next we see the question number C. In question number C you see minus 9 multiply minus 5 multiply minus 2. So how we do such type of question? First we multiply these two integer. Okay. First we multiply these two integer. Minus 9 multiply minus 5. So minus minus gives what? Plus. and 9 5s are 45. So plus 45 multiply minus 2, plus 45 multiply minus 2. Okay, now again we multiply the sign of these two integers, plus minus minus, and 45 2s are 90. So the product what we got here, minus 90. So this minus and minus will make plus. Now this plus and minus multiply, product will give a minus, negative. Next question we see. Question number F. Question number F, minus 2 multiply 3, minus 2 multiply 3, minus 4 multiply minus 5. Here see the 4 numbers are there. So here we make a group of 2 numbers, 2 integers. First you multiply these 2 and after that we multiply these 2. So here first you make 2 groups. So first group will be what? Minus 2 multiply 3. This 2 group I will make. So here you see, you multiply first one with these 2 group and after that we multiply this 2 group, and when we will get the product, then we multiply these two product of these 2 groups. So here you see minus plus minus, or 2 3 are 6. So minus 2 multiply 3 gives you minus 6. Now in between there is the multiply. Now minus minus plus, and 4 5s are 20. So minus minus plus. So minus minus plus, what we write? Plus 20. So we can write plus 20. Plus 20. Now multiply these two integers again. Minus plus minus, minus plus minus, 26 is 120. So what is the answer? Minus 120. Okay. Now we see the question number H. Last question. Question number H. Minus 1 multiply minus 1. Minus 1 multiply minus 1. Multiply minus 1 multiply minus 1. So see how many times this minus sign is multiplied. If the negative sign is multiplied even number of times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is the even number. So the product will be positive. If minus is multiplied even number of times, so see how we can do that. Another method, write minus 1 to the power 4. This same number is multiplied by itself 4 times. So when the base is negative and the power is even, when the base is negative and the power is even, so the sign will be the positive. So you will get the plus 1. Or when you multiply 1 itself, 1 1 ja 1, 1 1 ja 1, 1 1 ja 1. One method is like this. Another method that you can solve this question like, we can make a group of 2 numbers. Minus 1 multiply minus 1, that you make one group. Multiply minus 1 or minus 1 multiply minus 1, another group. See 2 groups. So here minus minus plus 1 1 ja 1 gives you 1. Multiply here again minus minus plus 1 1 ja 1. Now 1 multiply 1 gives you what? Plus 1. Like this we can do. We can make the group of two integers and then we find their products. So this is all for the today students. So we have completed today's self practice 1C, and tomorrow we'll start new exercise self practice 1D. So this is all for today. Thank you for your kind attention.